coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we've got one that came out of a Zen Pop box. Go to zenpop.jp. Use the coupon code, the Ramen Raider, for a discount. This is a Acecook Harusame shoyu, I think. I can't remember. It's the name of the thing. No, it's got Wantan in it. Yeah, but Harusame, look at this. A huge amount of noodles here. Wow, wow, wow. And here's the Wantan, which must go into here. So how are you today? Good, I hope. Where's that fill line? There's the fill line. I have boiling water. I am adding it to the fill line. And then I will wow you with information that I shall impart of what I do, what I'm doing, and things and such. And I'll put the lid on it. 3 minutes. And there we are. So, yeah, did my walk-in, did it early, made eggs, and I just filled the blowtorch with its food. So for the next review I do, there will be torched chashu for you to enjoy watching the pyrotechnics and all that. Today is December 12th, 2022. I think, what, you're in April. Wow. That's pretty far ahead. And I'm still working on my goal of hitting review 4,500 before 2023. I still have to post today's post too. Kind of ass backwards today, but that's okay. Yeah, just getting all the Christmassy stuff all hammered out. Here is our Christmasing tree. Look at that. Festivities are festive. The lights, they get bright and then they dim and then they get bright and then they dim to signify the birth of Christ, I suppose. I don't know. I've never understood the whole tree thing and the electric lights. I guess it's because when people put candles on their trees and lit them and went to sleep with a smile on their faces, they woke up on fire. So that's kind of not. I don't think anybody wants to burn for Christmas. Not a gift that I'm wishing to receive or give, for that matter. Yeah. We used to have all sorts of different Christmas lights. Now everything's all LED. It used to be we had like actual light bulbs that were glass. You know what I'm talking about if you're not 10 years old, I guess. Yeah. It's so weird. It's like the stuff that kids get these days compared to like what I got when I was a kid. I remember rotary dial phones. I remember when it was like $6 an hour to call the next town over, which was like 17 miles away. Oh, yeah. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Yeah. Fun stuff. Elon Musk got booed at a Dave Chappelle thing. I don't know. I don't know what that guy's trying to do. It's like, dude, you're freaking really doing well for yourself, but you seem to want to get some kind of approval from something. I don't know. I don't understand, but that's okay. I guess that's something only the richest people in the universe are able to understand. And that's the article that gets me. It's just like, what was it? It was saying like Elon Musk might not be the richest person in the world when this deal goes down, and he won't be worth as much. It's like, who cares? I don't know. I always thought the whole Elon Musk thing was kind of like, what was his name? Steve Jobs. There were like all these Steve Jobs fanboys out there. And it just never, I was like, why? Why? Like, people like Elon Musk because he, SpaceX and this and that. And what I tell people, it's just like, dude, if I had $500 billion to jerk around with, I could get anything done I wanted. It's like, yeah, okay, we need these people. I need to hire these people to find the right people to do these things, and then I can make it so. So this looks like it's like a glass noodle. Let's try it with the wonton. That's pretty good. Come here, let's look at the broth. I kind of like that. I guess the whole thing in its form right here is 78 calories. Say, I'm not a huge fan of the glass noodle, but aside from that, it's quite good. The broth is absolutely savory and comforty. I like a little bit of savor and comfort in my broth. Oh, my buddy Matt was saying something the other day. He goes to the grocery store and purchases items, and he was mentioning that there's this aisle at the store he goes to, and there's like the aisle things above that say what's on that aisle, and some of them will, you'll see one that says like juice, right? That's not out of the ordinary. But this aisle says glass juice. Is that like when you squeeze glass and you get the liquid? I don't know. I thought that was definitely mildly interesting. Yeah, for sure. We're gonna do some this right here, and maybe a couple shmees of this. By the way, that's the name of Darth Vader's mom, is Shmi. Can you imagine, like, in a waiting room, it's like not your turn yet and you're waiting. Shmi. No wonder he's so mad. I bet you people messed with him when he was a kid. It's like, your mom's name is... No, wait. It is Darth Vader. Anakin Skywalker's mom's name is Shmi. I don't know. I like to think that I'm a gentleman, but when I was younger, I'm sure that I would probably have, like, made fun of a kid whose mom's name was Shmi. So... I don't care if you're in a galaxy far, far away or live here. I gotta say, it just reeks of like something kids would like rib other kids about. Your mom's name's Shmi. For Schmorsh. This way? Why? It's hard to get used to the camera on this S20, like for placing for this. Anyways, it works well, and now it's time to listen and watch it rotate. cool. Thanks for watching. The next one is going to be this Maru Thai. Oh, I can't even remember the name of this one either, but I think it's a shoyu, and it's got pictures of palm trees and peppers on it. This also came from a zenpop.jp box. Use the coupon code, the Ramen Raider, for a discount. And yeah, that'll be coming up tomorrow. This is Hans, the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.